A certain pair of used shoes can be repaired for $12.50 and will last for 1 year. A pair of the same kind of shoes can be purchased new for $28 and will last for 2 years. The average cost per year of the new shoes is what percentage greater than the cost of repairing the used shoes? First, let me consider the cost of repairing the used shoes, that is $12.50. Let me write over here. Now we have to get the average cost per year of the new shoes. Here we have the cost of the new shoes, that is $28, and it can be used for 2 years. Okay, now to get the average cost per year, that is the average cost for 1 year of the new shoes, we have to divide this one by 2 because this is a cost we have for 2 years. Now to get the cost for 1 year, we have to divide it by 2. When I divide 28 by 2, I am getting 14. Okay, now we have to find this 14 is what percentage greater than this 12.50. To know that, first we have to get the actual difference between 14 and 12.50. So actually 14 is greater than 12.50 by 1.50. Let me write it. Now we have to write the actual increase in numerator, the starting value in denominator. Now to get this one as a percentage, we have to multiply the result by 100. Then it will become percentage. When I evaluate the value of this numerical expression, that is 12, then we get 12%. That is, the average cost per year of the new shoes is 12% greater than the cost of repairing the used shoes. We find this 12% in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.